guys, I'm gonna try Mr. Beast chocolate bar, some ice pop prime, and some strawberry watermelon prime. So, firstly, look at these goodies. I don't know, this chocolate. Okay, let's open. Does it not explain how you open it? Let's just be a normal kid and tear it. Yeah. It's milk chocolate. Good. I'm so glad it is not dark chocolate. Okay. It kind of tastes of mint dark chocolate. Now, a taste of dark milk chocolate. I know. That's actually really nice. I like that. I'll give that an 8.5. Well done. Do you guys want some? I'm gonna need to down it with a drink. What fun. Thanks for rewarding. This is the first one I wanted to trace, but I tried that moon. Smells really nice. It's actually really good. It's way better than strawberry water, or well better than that. You can taste the watermelon blended in, which makes it really nice. So this 9.2 out of 10. I'm gonna need to down that drink with some ice pop. By the way, that one was easy to open. My brother had some. Okay. This smells nice. It smells of ice pop tarts. This tastes amazing. I can't taste of tropical fruit or something. Like tropical fruit but iced. So good. Comment down below which is your favourite. Ice pop or Meadowmelon. And comment down below if you've ever tried Mr. Beast chocolate.